Hey Rotarians, guess who it is? It's Carla. I'm here at the District 6920 District Assembly, and I'm just checking in with you this morning, letting you know what's going on, giving you an update of our district. And let me turn around to what's going on. We're on Facebook.
I'm sorry, no pictures.
Say
hello and welcome to our district assembly. Very good.
We're broadcasting live.
Carla, live on Facebook.
Yeah.
All right, well, I'm a live guy.
There's Renee's possible. So no worries, we just need to know.
Yeah,
Where to trace it.
Get it.
Oh, somebody will.
He's the one that set up. Good morning.
You're live on Facebook. Again. Good morning. Welcome. You're live on Facebook.
Oh, good. We're glad you're here. You're always the light of the party when you're here.
Checking people in.
Yes.
We are checking people in. We're excited about this. It's going to be a great day.
We are bringing the sunshine inside.
Yes, that's a wonderful way to say it. And then we will take it home with us to our clubs.
There you go. And over here, these are the name tags. Say hello. I'm broadcasting live on Facebook.
Hi
Where y'all from?
St. Simon's.
St. Simon's. Hey, neighbor. I'm in Hinesville. I don't know anything about your club. Just teasing. I do.
Well, you don't. I was just going to say, well, come visit. You'll find out all kinds of stuff.
I know you guys have a great club.
It is.
It is an awesome club. Greg, where are you from? Hazelhurst. I met you before. Yeah, I know.
So we're live on Facebook.
I am live on Facebook. I'm on the district's website, Facebook page, broadcasting live.
District assembly. You're broadcasting live.
I'm broadcasting live. Absolutely.
You're going to broadcast me?
I am broadcasting you eating your breakfast.
From the Gus. Eating breakfast from the
He's
Gus.
paid for his breakfast instead of having a Danish and a cup of coffee.
The difference is some of us can't have sugar.
I'm sorry.
So-
I understand. You're having an optional.
Optional breakfast.
Gotcha. And look at those folks coming in the door.
Well, great.
Hey, good morning. And there's lovely Pam. Pam, I'm broadcasting live on the district Facebook page.
Hey, I brought banners.
Banners! And there's no sunshine here.
Oh my gosh, look at you here.
Hello, good morning. Good morning. And there's Brigitte, Assistant Governor Brigitte, holding the door,
Morning, Madam President Carla.
being a servant.
Great job in bringing 12 Rotarians.
Thank you.
Good job.
Thank you. Thank you. Hugs. We're giving a hug.
Woo!
Okay. Oh, there's Jimmy. Jimmy, I'm broadcasting live on the district webpage. Say hello to all the Rotarians that aren't here.
Rotarians. They're not here.
I'll do it if you It's good to see you. Hi, how are you? Hey, Rob from Valdosta.
Yes.
I'm Carla from Hinesville.
Okay. Good to
Nice
meet you,
to
Carl.
see you.
Tag you upside.
Say hello, Steve. We're broadcasting live to Rotarians that aren't here. Hello. On the district Facebook page.
Very nice. Thanks for all you do.
This is the food. And here's Rafe. Rafe, are you being served in arms today?
Do what?
Are you being served in arms
No,
today?
I left my orange jacket at home. I tell you what, though, I had so much fun with those kids at the district conference. Next year, too, if I can get the kids there.
I'm sure. I'm broadcasting live on Facebook
Hello there. How are you?
to the district conference, to the district. We go in here and take them around to tour. So here's our breakout session. I'm still. Here, we can take take a picture. Let's take a picture of our district governor, Hamza, taking a picture of Rotarians. I'm broadcasting live to our district.
Welcome to this wonderful group of Rotarians here, having fun. And do some
All right, let's see here.
Okay.
Oh, am I supposed to reserve this table?
Brain trust.
Everyone say hello. This is the district Facebook page. I'm broadcasting live.
Good morning. Wish you were here. Making a difference.
That's what we need. We need a video of Hamza doing a rotary rap. You ready to come up with that and just drop off?
That concludes our tour of where we're at this morning, making a difference.